Good morning, Roshan. Good morning, Vedant. Good morning, Ritesh. So let's recap what we have gone through. So yesterday we have started from Poland, right? So Poland, Warsaw, Loti, it's a European country. Their languages are Polish and Kashubian, and their president is Andrzej Duda. President of Poland is Andrzej Duda. Right. Next country, Portugal, Lisbon, European country. Their language is Portuguese. Their president is Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa. Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa. Next one, Qatar, Doha, Qatari Riyadh, Asian country. Language is Arabic. The head of the Qatar is Amir Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani. Next one, Romania, Bucharest, Lviv, European country, Romanian and Romanian Macedonian. These are the two languages, and their president is Klaus Johannes. Klaus Johannes. The next one is Russia, Moscow, Ruble, Asian country. Language is Russian. President is Vladimir Putin. Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, Riyal, Asian country. Languages are Arabic and Modern Standard Arabic. The Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia is Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. Fine. Next one is Seychelles, Victoria. Seychelles rupee, African country. Languages are French, Seswa, and English. Fine. And the president of Seychelles is Danny Farr. Next one, Sierra Leone, Freetown. Currency is Leon, African country. Language is English. President is Julius Maado Bio. Julius Maado Bio. Next one is Singapore dollar. Languages are so many different languages: English, Malay, Tamil, Mandarin Chinese, Standard Mandarin. Their president is Halima Yacob. Next one is Somalia, Mogadishu, Soman shilling currency. The African country, Somali Arabic and Modern Standard Arabic are the languages. President is Muhammad Abdullahi Muhammad. Next one, South Africa, Pretoria, Cape Town, and Bloemfontein. Rand, African country, English, Afrikaans, Zulu, Xhosa, Southern Sotho are the languages. President is Cyril Ramaphosa. Right. Cyril Ramaphosa. Then South Sudan, Juba, Sudanese pound. Africa, president, language is English. President is Salva Kiir Mayardit. Right. The next one, Spain, Madrid, European country. Language is Spanish. Prime Minister is Pedro Sanchez. Right. So the next one is Sri Lanka, Colombo, Sri Lanka rupee. Asia, Sinhala, Tamil, and English are the languages. President is Maitripala Sirisena. Next one is Sudan, Khartoum, Dinar, African country. Languages are Arabic and English. Prime Minister is Abdullah Hamdok. Abdullah Hamdok. Sweden, Stockholm, Krona, Europe. Swedish, Finnish, Yiddish, Romani are the languages. Stephen Löfven. Prime Minister is Stephen Löfven. Next one, Switzerland, Bern, Swiss franc, European country. French, German, Italian, and Spanish are the languages. President of Switzerland is Uli Maurer. Syria, Damascus, Syrian pound, Asian country. Arabic, modern and modern standard Arabic are the languages. President of Syria is Bashar al-Assad. Taiwan, Taipei, Taiwanian dollar, Asian country. Taiwanese, Mandarin Chinese, Standard Mandarin are the languages. President is Tsai Ing-wen. Tsai Ing-wen. Tanzania, Dodoma. Okay. Tanzania, Dodoma, Tanzanian shilling. African country, Swahili and English are the languages. President is John Magufuli. John Magufuli. Thailand, Bangkok, Bharat, Asian country. Thai is the language. And their leader is King Vajiralongkorn. King Vajiralongkorn. Tunisia, Tunis, Tunisian dollar, African country, Arabic language. President is the Bezicat SMC. Bezicat SMC. Right. Then Turkey, Ankara, Turkish lira, Asian country, and Turkish language. The president is Recep Tayyip Erdogan. I will tell you one thing about this Erdogan. Right. So when the politics started by Erdogan. So he was the mayor of one of the states, one of the cities in the Turkey, and from there he has started. Then he became the prime minister of Turkey. So for 3 times he had been the prime minister of Turkey, right? So you can understand now being a prime minister for. Okay, so you know what could have happened, right? So now I have, I think some other day I said that the constitution has been changed by Russian president, by Vladimir Putin, right? To be on the seat of president. Likewise, same thing has been done by this Erdogan. So Erdogan has also changed, right? So then there was a rule in Turkey that someone, if someone is a prime minister for 3 terms, then he is not allowed to do so. Right. Next, then what he has done, he has become the president. Once he became president, then he has started reducing the rights of prime minister, and the same has been increased of president. And now then, after a few days or after some time, he has abolished the what we can position of prime ministership. So you can see how the things are, right? त्यामुळे अहंकार नावाची गोष्ट फार भयानक असते. तो चांगल्या गोष्टीतून येतो, वाईट गोष्टीतून येतो. Anyway, if someone wants to see something about this Erdogan, and in first and second term, actually he has developed the country Turkey, right, tremendously. When he had become the prime minister, at that time Turkey had nothing. Right? Turkey had around 1% of GDP. Right. Unfortunately, again now in these days it is less than 1%. It is approaching 0%. Right. So आपण आपल्या अट्टहासासाठी देशाचं किती वाटोळं करत असतो, याचं एक सध्याच्या काळातलं जिवंत उदाहरण. Anyway, next is Turkmenistan, Ashgabat, Manat, Asian country. Languages are Turkmen and Russian. The president of Turkmenistan is Gurbanguly Berdimuhammedov. Next one is Tuvalu, Waiku village, Australian dollar, Australian country. Excuse me. Languages are English and Tuvaluan. The prime minister of the Tuvalu is Yenele Sosen Sopoaga. Uganda, Kampala, Ugandan New Shilling, African country. English and Swahili are the languages. President of Uganda is Yoweri Museveni. Then next one is United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi, Asia. The president, language is Arabic. The president of UAE, right? That is Sanyukta Arab Amirati आपण म्हणतो, United Arab Emirates. Is the Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan Arabic. Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. And the Arabic is the language. Then next one is Uzbekistan, Tashkent. Uzbekistan, Soma, Asian country. Language is Uzbek. The president of Uzbekistan is Shavkat Mirziyoyev. Mirziyoyev. Ukraine, Kiev, Ukrainian Brownia. Then Asian country, sorry, Ukraine, European country. Language is Ukrainian. The president of Ukraine is Volodymyr Zelensky. Volodymyr Zelensky. United Kingdom, London, pound sterling. European country, language is English. Prime Minister is Boris Johnson. United States, Washington, USA, US dollar, North American country, American and English are the languages. Donald Trump is the president. Uruguay, Montevideo, Uruguayan peso. South American country, Spanish is the language. The president is Taber Vasquez. Right. Then next one is Vietnam, Hanoi, Dong, Asian country. Vietnamese is the language. President is Nguyen Phu Trong. Nguyen Phu Trong. The Vanuatu, Port Vila, Vaatu, Australian continental country. English, Bislama and French are the languages. President is Thalis Obed Moses. Vatican City, European country, right? Italian, French, German, and Latin are the languages. The president of the Vatican City is Giuseppe Bertello. Next one is Venezuela, Caracas, Venezuelan Bolivar, South American country. Spanish is the language. The president is Nicolas Maduro Moros. Next one, Yemen, Sanai, Yemen, Riyadh, Asian country, Arabic and modern standard Arabic are the languages. Ahmed Obed bin Dagar. And next one is Zambia, Lusaka, Zambian Kwacha. President is the Edgar Lungu. English and Tonga are the languages. It's a African country. Right. So I think these were the countries and currencies which we have gone through in the previous session. Now, you can write about the next one. Zimbabwe, Harare. I think this was the last one, right? Zimbabwe dollar. Fine. So president of this is Emerson Mnangagwa. Mnangagwa. Languages are English. Different languages. Shona, Southern Sotho, right? Xhosa as like the language of South Africa. Swara, Venda, Kiva, and Tonga. Right, African country it is. Fine. Okay, someone was on that day, someone was asking about some of other countries. So let's quickly go through these other countries. Only thing is that purposefully I haven't written, or I will not write their uh, president or prime minister and the uh, language, right? Uh, I wanted you to go through these. I think some names are there. So quickly let's pass through these. Next one, Armenia, Yerevan. Right, Armenia is the name of the country. Yerevan is the capital. Armenian drum. This is Asian country. Fine. Next one is Tajikistan. Tajikistan. Dushanbe. Dushanbe. The currency is Somoni. Again, Asian country. Next one is Timor Leste. Timor Leste. Right. It has one more name. East Timor. East Timor. The capital is Dili, and their currency is US dollar. It's again the Asian country. So whatever earlier the countries we have considered in Asia, and the remaining countries, right? So now almost the complete Asian countries we have gone through. Next one is Benin. The capital is Porto No. Porto No. Their currency is CFA, franc. It's Dougao. O-U-A-G-A. Yes, I think it is visible. Oga, Dougao. Again, CFA Frank. Language is, country is African. The next one, Comoros. C-O-M-O-R-O-S. Comoros. The capital of that country is Moroni. And currency is Comorian franc. Comorian franc. Next one is Republic of the Congo. Whatever earlier we have considered Congo, that Congo is called Democratic of the Congo. Right. So two different countries, the Republic of the Congo. As like South Korea and North Korea. Its capital is Brazzaville. Brazzaville. Its currency is CFA franc. The next one is Djibouti. D-J-I-B-O-U-T-I. Right. Djibouti city. D-J-I-B-O-U-T-I. City. Djibouti city. Djiboutian franc. D-J-I-B-O-U-T-I-A-N. Djiboutian franc. See how I am saying, right? In the same way, it is expected that you should also write and pronunciate it. That is the purpose why I'm writing these things, right? So that will definitely directly, indirectly make you aware of the pronunciations and as well as the spellings, right? So see, this is also African country. This is also African country, and this is also African country. Fine. The next one you can consider is Equatorial Guinea. Equatorial Guinea. Capital is Malabo. Malabo. And the currency is CFA franc. It's African country. Sorry, I need to put and we will be today ending these things here, right? I mean, just by doing the names of some of the remaining countries, but the languages and the president or prime ministers that you have to do at your own. Tomorrow we'll be going further kind of commandos topic. Yes, there are so many different things in that. Let's see from where we should start, and probably we'll not complete the whole field at a time. We will be having it back. Vedant, what you have you asked any question? No, you written that, you have written that, so please tell me. That's why I asked. I thought that I skipped to see your question and then you have re-asked it. Okay, next one, I guess. Okay, but I guess you must have finished. So let's go to the next one. Okay, 145. Gabon. Okay, fine. So have you taken its screenshot or not? But I guess if you have written down it, then you need not to have screenshot. So Gabon, Libreville as its capital. Libreville. Okay, I will show it again. CFA franc. Right. So it's African country.